The roof on the Boxster is 25 years old and it's gone very grey and it's very faded. The canvas has just died. We've gone for the Renovo soft top reviver. Has this got what it takes to save the roof of our Porsche? So having a look around the roof, as you can see, it's very faded. It's got a grey look to it. Some staining and bits, and somebody's been very happy with a jet washer on it. I don't know if we're going to make this look like brand new, but if we can make it look better, I think our lovely old Porsche definitely deserves a try. So yesterday we give the roof a real deep clean, good scrub, got all the dirt and all the everything out of it. So now I guess we're going to prep it. I guess we'll pop the roof a bit, we'll tape off around the edges, and yeah, let's get colouring. Okay, well the car's masked up and ready to go. Let's pour ourselves some of the Renovo soft top reviver. Let's do 300ml first. Time to make the magic happen. Let's see if it works. So hopefully this is the last time our roof is going to look grey and faded. Never done this before, so actually quite excited to see how it comes out. There you go, very runny. Okay, let's see what we can do with this. So we've just found out this stuff is very runny. So I'm going to start in the middle. God, yeah, this stuff is just like water. In the kit it says 2 coats, and on an average size roof they reckon half a litre to put a coat on. So we'll find out if that's any good. Well, that's very wet, it's just like water. It'd be a little bit trickier than we first thought. But so far so good. I think slow and steady. It might just do the trick. But let's be honest, this is starting to look a little bit better already. So I've loosely masked up around the edges. I've read a few things about other people using this product as well, and they did say it's quite runny, but don't worry if you get it on other parts of the car, because it does wipe off quite easily. I think you'd have to wipe it off pretty quickly, but yeah, just keeps wanting to run off the roof. So that's the first coat on one half. Obviously we're going to have to let that dry. I know it's wet, but I do think it's actually darkening up quite nice. Now, how much of that is it going to hide, if any at all? So we have just put our 3 coats of this amazing stuff on our roof. Application wise, it wasn't too bad to do. It was a bit wetter, a bit more watery than I expected. I did tape up around the edges. If you were going to try this, I would put a little bit more tape on, maybe cover the car up, because I thought I did a really good job. And then once I finished, I've just spotted loads of little black dots all over the place. So definitely recommend maybe cover the car up, but it's not too bad to remove. If you catch it relatively quickly, something like a panel wipe, degreaser, glass cleaner, or something like that will remove it. If it dries on, a little bit of thinners, and it does come off pretty quickly. Overall, though, quite pleased with the result. So let's take a look. So at a first glance, this is what she's looking like. Granted, she's still wet. It takes a couple of hours to dry, but it's just really pleasing to see a lot more colour, a lot more black in that roof. Excuse the swirl marks on the glass and the mirrors. I'll just give it a quick wipe over. So obviously, we've not quite beat the jet washing damage. However, overall, that roof does look a hell of a lot better. Really interested to see what it looks like when it's fully dried. Overall, I think it's been quite a success. Visually, changes quite a lot on the car. And if you've got an old convertible, I mean, for the sake, I paid around 25 quid for that. Really cheers up an old convertible, something pretty good. So that's it all recolored. Next thing, maybe look into waterproofing. But guys, for now, that's it from Dip Monkey, and see you in the next one.